Now, another topic, position of a point. Position of a point px1, y1 with respect to a circle. Circle, any circle, it is denoted by s is equal to 0. So, in this, notations are important. Notations. S is denoted by a circle. S is equal to 0 denoted by circle. Denoted by a circle. That means S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy, otherwise standard form or general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here equal, no meaning. Here if we write like this, here put a equal answer. Otherwise s is equal to 0. This means this total equation. So finally s means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, no need. That means is equal to 0. This is the representation of circle. So P is equal to point x1, y1. This is one point. With respect to this circle, S1 is written as x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. No 0. This is the equation also. It is the representation of S1. S11. This means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. This is the S1 symbol. S1 symbol, S11 symbol, both are like this. So why we use this S1 and S11? Where we can apply? So in this case, position of a point with respect to circle. Suppose this is the circle. It is s is equal to 0 is the circle. P is one point in the plane. P x1 y1. This is the x-axis, y-axis, origin. With respect to this circle, P point is here. So how many chances here? P lies outside the circle. This P lies inside the circle. Here lies outside the circle. Here P inside the circle. P lies on the circle. So three positions are here. So three chances here. There are three chances. That is P lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Next, P lies inside the circle. Inside the circle. Another, P lies on the circle. Three cases. P lies outside the circle. Here, P, this is also P, lies inside the circle case. Here P lies on the circle. This is the third case. So how we identify whether P lies out or in or on the circle? That is case 1. If P lies outside the circle, then S11 greater than 0. S11 is the one value that is positive. If S11 is positive, P lies outside the circle. Case 2. If P lies inside the circle, then S11 less than 0. Less than 0 is the condition. Case 3. If P lies on the circle, then S1 mean is equal to 0. Here three conditions. If S11 greater than 0, P lies out the circle. S11 less than 0, P lies inside the circle. S11 is equal to 0, P lies on the exactly circle. These are the three conditions. So another way, in another way, this is the circle, this is the center C, point P is here, this is R, we extend to up to here through this. Here P outside the circle, P lies outside the circle, P lies outside the circle. Then CP distance greater than R, CP distance greater than R. It implies CP square also greater than R square. It implies CP square minus R square greater than 0. This is the S11. It is greater than 0. CP square minus R square is the value of S11. This is one. Number 2. P lies inside the circle. This is the R, this is the CP. In this case, P lies inside the circle, then CP less than R. CP is the less than R value. R is more. It implies CP square minus, otherwise CP is less than minus R less than 0. No. CP square less than R square. After this, CP square minus R square less than 0. This is also S11 is less than 0. This is the another condition. Next, third. P exactly lies on the circle. P x1 y1. This is also x1 y1. Here center C, this is the radius R, this is the CP. So this is radius, so both are equal distances. If P lies on the circle, then CP is equal to R. CP is equal to R means both distances equal to radius. So this is squaring on both sides. CP square is equal to R square. CP square minus R square is equal to 0. This is the equal to S11 is equal to 0. S11 is equal to 0 means the point lies on the circle. This is the position of the point with respect to circle. On this, find the position of the point 3, 5 with respect to circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 36 is equal to 0. One point is given, one circle is given. So we check S11 greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. So we find the S11. So 11 means here x1 y1 point 3, 5. S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 36 is equal to 0. We substitute 3, 5 in this. S11, this 3 square plus 5 square minus 4 into 3 minus 2 into 5 minus 36 is equal to 0. 9 plus 25 minus 12 minus 10 minus 36 is equal to 0. Here plus values 4, 3, 34. Negative values 46, 48, 58, minus 58. It is equal to minus 4, 24. This value is less than 0. S11 value less than 0. Therefore, P point P lies inside the circle. Inside the circle. It's enough. We check only S1 one. Next, second question. Find the position of the point 2, 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Solution. Circle given, point given. So circle is written as S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3. This is the S symbol. x1 y1 is the 2, 3. So find S1 1 value. x1 square, that is 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 3. It is 4, 9 minus 4 minus 12 plus 3. So all positive is 13 plus 3 is 16. Minus 4 minus 12, it is minus 16 is equal to 0. So S11 0. That's why P lies on the circle. P lies on the circle. Next, find the position of the point. Find the position of the point 4, 2 with respect to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Solution. Here equation is different. That quotient of x square is not equal to 1. So multiplication 2 is there. That's why we divide with 2. Given equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we divide with 2. Divide by 2. On both sides. So x square plus y square minus 5 by 2. X minus 4 by 2 is the 2y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. This is the S value. So x1 y1 is 4, 2 is given. We substitute S1 1. X square 4 square plus y square is the 2 square. Minus 5 by 2 x1 is the 4 2 y is the here 2 minus 3 by 2 not equal to 0. This is the symbol only. Here S11 is equal to 16 plus 4 here twice minus 10 minus 4 minus 3 by 2 S11 is equal to this is 20 minus 14. So here 6 total minus 3 by 2. This value 12 minus 3 9 by 2. It is our positive. S11 is greater than 0. So P point lies outside the circle. Therefore P lies outside the circle. These are the 3 cases finished. One is lies outside, one is lies on the circle, other is lies outside the circle.